Hello friends, welcome to the Techlisten channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADATA XPG Invader X gaming case. So friend, XPG has announces the XPG Invader X Mid-Tower changes to markets, and friend, this model more than any other to date focuses on the aesthetic side of PC building, and with panoramic viewing in mind, this series offers numerous features that make it easier to build a system that you will feel compelled to show off. And friend, with the frameless 3 tempered glass front and side panels, you can appreciate your system in all its RGB glory from any angle. Think of this case as an aquarium for your PC with the highly convenient and easy to clean magnetic dust filter. Maintaining the beauty of your system is never a problem. And friend, it will be comes with 4 120 ARGB reverse flat fans and one regular 120 ARGB fan pre-installed. The only thing cooler than your rig's temperature will be its style. With the design trailer maximizing thermal performance, you might have to overclock your system just to keep your temperature from getting too low, and it can handle a 360 radiator in both side and top mounting operations and top mounting orientation. And friend, if you are not mounting a radiator on the side of the case, it can handle cards up to 400 in length, and if you are not mounting a radiator on the side of the case, it can still support cards up to 270 in length in a horizontal orientation. The changes provide also convenient installation of BTF Micro-ATX motherboards, allowing you access a whole new range of component and building customization options. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.